your Eyewitness Weather forecast.
Well, tonight we welcome meteorologist Brian James to our newscast. We do so with profound thanks to meteorologist Tim Drawbridge, who has served us so well for the past several weeks. Brian has a hot forecast for us,
Happy Monday night to you. I'm meteorologist Brian James. We have an active stretch of weather coming up with a lot of heat over the next few days, then the opportunity for showers and storms coming in. Dangerous heat, though, tomorrow through Thursday. The heat is going to break late in the week, but that's also when the opportunity for showers and storms will come back to the forecast. Look at how expansive this heat advisory is across a large part of New England, all the way back toward the Great Lakes area, and then down to the south across the Ohio River Valley. Of course, we're smack dab in the middle of it. Heat advisory goes through Tuesday all the way through 8 p.m. on Thursday, so we're talking a few days in a row here where you really got to do your best to slow down, reduce your level of activity as that temperature climbs. Make sure you're taking lots of breaks, you drink some water. And look at these highs for tomorrow and for Wednesday. We're talking low to mid 90s, Utica, Rome, Oneida, Boonville as well. So just about across the board, we're going to see several locations with high temperatures easily above the 90-degree mark. Satellite radar, a couple isolated showers back toward the west, all moving off toward the east slowly. A lot of these are going to fall apart once the sun goes down, and for the rest of the evening and overnight hours we're going to have pretty quiet weather. But look at the stretch of weather coming up tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday, highs low to mid 90s. We go through the latter part of the week, we do start to cool back down, so cold front comes in late on Thursday. We drop back to the mid 80s. Another shot of cooler air comes in by the end of the weekend, and we drop back down to the 70s. So we are going to see things improve. Hang in there, just a few days of really hot weather, then we kind of settle things back down a bit. Of course, when the temperature goes down, that's when the rain chances go back up. So a better opportunity for some scattered showers and storms as early as Wednesday, Thursday. Better chance as we head through the latter part of the week on into the weekend. Looking at futurecasts as we head through this evening, a few of those isolated showers possible, mainly back toward the west, not really moving into the area, viewing area necessarily. 72 degrees to start the day tomorrow. Mix of clouds and sunshine. Could be a few isolated showers south and southwest especially. 93 degrees for the high. You beg for an isolated shower storm to help cool things off a little bit. A few more clouds to start the day Wednesday. Low 70s to begin the day. A few more isolated showers possible in a few locations. Again, mainly to the northeast and back to the west and southwest will be that best chance. But temperatures will still be warm. If you happen to catch a shower or storm, it may cool you down a little bit. Most of us are just going to be hot and humid. That goes all the way through Wednesday evening. For tonight, we're back down to a mix of mostly low to mid, a few upper 60s, a mostly clear to partly cloudy sky. Not expecting a whole lot of wind for tonight. Tomorrow, looking at a good deal of sunshine and a whole lot of heat. Could be a few isolated showers and storms around as well. Highs upper 80s to low to mid 90s with a southwest wind between 5 and 10 miles an hour. Here's your 7-day forecast with that chance for a few showers and storms coming back later in the week. Until then, it's about the heat Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday with highs mostly lower 90s, low rain chances overall, but you see the better opportunities for showers and storms coming Friday, Saturday, Sunday into early next week as the highs cool back down to the 80s and eventually even 70s. Enjoy the rest of your evening.
More news still to come, including a fatal plane crash here.
Now, your Eyewitness Weather forecast.
We check in now for our weather, and welcome to Eyewitness News meteorologist Brian James.
Happy Monday night to you. I'm meteorologist Brian James. A warm day today, even warmer weather coming up over the next few days. Dangerous levels of heat. This is when you really want to slow down as that temperature climbs. Reduce your level of activity outside, take some breaks, get in the air conditioning, drink some water. It's that time of year again. Dangerous heat through Thursday. The heat is going to break late in the week, and once it does, we'll have that opportunity for showers and storms come back to the forecast as well. Heat advisory. Look how much real estate is covered by a heat advisory going across central and southern parts of New England, all the way back across the Ohio River Valley, back to the Great Lakes area. So several locations dealing with extensive heat coming up. And for us, it's from tomorrow all the way through Thursday. Temperatures will be in the 90s. Heat index values could climb into the upper 90s. Look at these forecast highs over the next couple of days. Utica, low 90s, mid 90s in a few spots as well. Oneida could get up to 94 tomorrow, and still looking at low to mid 90s on Tuesday and Wednesday and probably even Thursday as well before things start to quiet down. Satellite radar showing a few isolated showers and storms back to the west, making their way eastward. A few stray showers here or there. Not going to see a whole lot of heavy activity, but it will be around as we head through the rest of the overnight hours into early tomorrow morning. A lot of this is going to fall apart, and generally we'll just see a partly cloudy sky as we head through the rest of the week. But look at these highs. Tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday, low 90s. Then we get the front coming in, drops us back down to the mid 80s, even low 80s Wednesday, or Sunday rather. And then by early next week, upper 70s and some low 80s. So we do have some improvement in the temperatures, just hang in there for a few days. Rain chances low Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 20% chance for a stray shower, thunderstorm around. Much better opportunity Friday, Saturday into the weekend. So if you do have some weekend plans, be mindful. Could be an opportunity for some showers and storms around. Futurecast overnight tonight, the showers will generally fall apart as they kind of push a bit more toward the north. Then we'll have a few clouds to start the day tomorrow. 72 degrees to begin the day. Stopping it at 1 o'clock tomorrow. You see a couple blips of green here and there. There could be a stray shower around or two, not a whole lot. 93 degrees, hot and humid other than that. As we go into early on Wednesday, we start with low 70s by Wednesday afternoon, and we'll work our way back to the low 90s. A couple isolated showers not out of the realm of possibility, but again, not very likely. Better rain chances coming up later on in the week. For tonight, we're dropping back down only into a mix of generally mid to upper 60s. That's it. Light winds from the southeast and a mostly clear to partly cloudy sky. A couple of those isolated showers back to the west will drop off over the next few hours. For the day tomorrow, we're looking at highs upper 80s to low 90s, even a few mid 90s in there with a partly cloudy sky and the chance for maybe an isolated shower. Thunderstorm, southwest wind between 5 and 10 miles an hour. Partly cloudy sky tomorrow and Wednesday, mostly cloudy with a little better chance for showers and storms coming up later in the week. Look at the highs. Low 90s Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, dropping back in the 80s and eventually upper 70s. But remember, higher rain chances for the weekend. Back to you.
And coming up in sports, a professional basketball player with local roots is setting professional records. More after this.